everyone, how's it going? We're watching Exact Science. My name is Zach and I love science, especially chemistry. Today we're gonna do a biochemistry science experiment, and we're gonna be doing it with my dad.
Hi. So what's our experiment today?
The kit we're gonna be doing is zinc carbon battery.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
What's in the kit?
Inside of the kit is there's two experiments. There's zinc carbon battery and there's liquid wires.
Liquid wires. So are we actually going to make wire out of liquid?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm excited. Which one are we going to do first?
First we're going to do liquid wires.
Okay. All right. That's great. So what do we need? Does this tell us all about it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need some protective eyewear and some gloves, right?
Yeah.
And a tray, of course. We usually need a tray.
Yeah. I have my gloves in the kit.
And I have a pair of gloves in my pocket.
Yeah. And the chemicals you're gonna need is the graphite and liquid glass.
Okay, I'll get those up for you.
And a stick for stirring. Crocodile clips. And a battery case.
Okay.
And you'll also need the thing to open the piece.
Okay. Okay, so what's our first step?
Our first step is to
Take that.
pour all of the liquid glass into the graphite.
Okay, well, let's put our gloves on. I'll open this up for you.
Okay.
Let's get this out of your way.
Yeah.
So you're going to put all of that in there?
Yeah. Yeah. Oops.
You got it?
Yeah, you can feel it.
Okay. All right. There's quite a bit of glass in here.
Yeah.
Liquid glass, that's a neat thing.
Is that like what they make glass out of?
Hmm?
Is that like what they make glass out of?
I don't know. I bet this would be really good for fixing a crack in glass, wouldn't it?
Yeah. There is a lot in there.
There is a lot. Oh boy. Oh, I think it's almost out now. There we go. That is empty. Now what do we do?
Now we need to stir the mixture for 30 seconds, or, yeah, 30 seconds.
Okay. Stir, get it good and mixed up.
Yeah.
I I guess it should look kind of like paint when it's done, right?
Yeah,
Look like it's well mixed together.
yeah. And there should be a nice even layer on the stick.
I think that looks pretty good. How about you? What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. I'll scrape this off the stick as much as I can. And I'll put that on some paper towel out of the way. Now what do we need?
Now we need something from in.
One of those little toppers. Where is this topper?
Here. It's in here.
Are they in there? Okay. Aha. Oh, we also need that piece of paper.
Oh yeah. And a piece of paper.
Okay, so now what?
Now you draw a short, thick line with this.
Sometimes it takes a little bit of work to get it moving. So I will shape this down for you a little bit.
Okay.
Let's see if that starts now. There you go. You're okay.
Make that thick.
Oh, maybe even thicker. Maybe go back down the other side and come back. Make it nice and thick.
It's hard to do.
Is it?
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
I think it has to be a bit longer.
Yeah, I go a little bit longer. That's cool. Okay, let's see how that works. So this, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this is a liquid carbon that we've made that is going to allow electricity to flow through it like a wire.
Yeah. So now we need 2 batteries.
2 batteries.
And yeah. This might be too big.
No, they're just really tight. They take a little bit of work. There we go. Now we're going to need to connect the
Red to red.
red alligator clip to that one. And the black alligator clip to that one. Okay. And now we need an LED light. Whoops.
LED.
Yeah, there's a red one in there and a white one. I don't know which one will be easier to see. You take your pick. And then we're going to connect the
Red to the not bent.
red to the not bent, okay. All right, and then The black, that just gets connected right to the liquid, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right in the liquid, just like that.
Yeah.
Now,
I need to touch this bit, the bent bit, to the liquid.
do you want me to do it or you to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. See if we can get that light so the camera can see.
It doesn't always work. Oh,
Let's try the other LED.
that one,
LEDs don't always work.
that one I saw it flicker, but
Did you?
only for a second.
Might not be very good connections on the wires either.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one. Hey, there we go. We have it. So I don't know if you guys can see this in the camera. Try and bring it a little bit closer.
Let's turn off the light. Maybe they can see better.
Yeah. Turn off the light. And then, touch this in here. The light turns on.
Can't
Not
really-
very bright, but it's definitely working.
Yeah. And I think if we do a smaller one, it'll get brighter.
It will get dimmer actually, because this liquid has a natural resistance in it. So we can take this as far as we want, draw this line as far as we want, and the longer the line goes, the more resistance it's going to have. And the thinner the line is, it's going to work less too. So we can see that over here, we get a pretty good amount, not a lot of light, but a little bit of light. And back here, we get a little bit of light. It's still lighting up, but it's not lighting up as much because there's more resistance to the flow of electricity.
Wait, what if we do it like right next to the crocodile?
Then that would be at its very, very brightest. We could even touch the crocodile clip, and it's super, super bright. But here, that's right on, that's a direct connection, metal to metal. But if we go into the liquid, then the electricity is flowing through the liquid, and it still goes, but not as well. And the further away we get, the more liquid it has to go through, the less it works. But it does work, and that's really interesting and really cool that we can create a wire out of just graphite and glass.
Yeah. Well,
Make a liquid wire in any shape we want. We can make a pattern or anything we want.
yeah.
Isn't that pretty neat? All right. So, now that we've got this figured out, what's our next experiment going to be?
The next experiment will be zinc carbon battery.
Okay. So, this will be a two-part video. This will be the end of part 1. The link to part 2 will be below. And we'll see you in a few minutes. We'll just get set up, and we'll be right back.